Hi, this is Detrick. I want to take a quick minute to showcase what we've been working on with Game Time Giving so far. This is an MVP version of the app. It's in the Android. Here in a second, we will be logging in. We're logging in. As I log in, you see that we can log in with the phone and Twitter and email also. This brings up the game board by default, but I'll show you some of the other pieces in Game Time Giving. First of all, I'd like you to show you the view charities, and every charity that's listed in Game Time Giving will actually be there so that people can follow them and they can learn more about them. We'll click on the more button here just a second for Susan G. Komen, and we'd be able to see basically Susan G. Komen paid a very small amount to be listed in the app and be followed. It shows how much they've raised via Game Time Giving and things like that. Also, you can look at the teams so that you can follow those, as well as games that you can also choose that you would like to be notified about. We'll be sending out notifications around when your team is playing and when a specific game is going on. Now I'm going to play what's called a demo app. This is how the game looks when the game board looks when the game hasn't started. Of course, when the game is started, you get the game board, and you can click $1 here, for example. And I'll click the $1 button just a few times. If you notice, the pledge totals for the Washita Lions is going up, as well as my pledges also. If you also notice, there's a button there that will undo my last pledge. So if I click a $1 pledge, I can undo the $1 pledge. I can't undo the $3 that I've already pledged. And then here I'm stopping here, and so at the end of the game you'll see game over, and then you also see that I have to donate $4, and that's all I can do at this point. And that allows us to the person to pay the pledge of $4, whether that be with a credit card or PayPal. I'll demonstrate here. So let me go back through the game board one more time. So we have the game board here, and I'll run the demo app. The demo app shows you what the game looks like when the game hasn't started. Now this is what the game board looks like when the game is going on, and I'm clicking the $1 button just a few times. If you notice, it's driving up my pledge totals, but it's also driving up the pledge totals for Washita. Also, I'll click a few and then we'll simulate the game end. So when I click the $4 here, the game has now ended. This is what it looks like when the game is over. You notice I have the ability to donate my $4. This donation will go to the preferred charity of the Washita Lions. I have PayPal and credit card here, but we have, by the way, it is not showing the actual credit card here for security reasons. Payment right then. And we will enter in the credit card, but the credit card numbers, and then we will also enter in the expiration date for the card. And that will go over to our payment processing, which we use Braintree. It is live. This is in a sandbox. It comes back. They'll let us know that that payment is successful, and it is. And that's